All right, guys, today we're going to talk about the volume of prisms. So our goal for today is to apply the formulas for rectangular prisms to find volume. Let's start with a little review from yesterday. Donkey Kong bought a new aquarium that is 4 feet high, 3 feet long, and 2 feet wide. How many cubic feet of water can Donkey Kong's new aquarium hold? I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds to get some work started. Try and solve that one. And then we will talk about it in just a few minutes. Remember, you can write these down in a notebook. You can share with a family member or a pet, whatever works best for you. Okay, if you are still working, go ahead and pause the video and keep working. If you are done, let's talk about this. So we know the aquarium is 4 feet high, so that's our height, 3 feet long, which is our length, and 2 feet wide. So what we are going to do is we are going to do length times width times height. So we've got 3 feet long. Oh, this is happening again. So we would do 3 times 2, which would be 6, times 4, which would be 24 cubic feet. If you got that, nice job. If you didn't, let's keep on practicing or join our check-in today so we can go over these problems. All right, moving on. So yesterday we discovered the formula for volume. The volume formula is length times width times height. We can also find the volume of a rectangular prism if we are given the base and the height. The base of an object is right here. It's colored in blue. That is when we find the base, the base is going to be the area of the bottom of the prism. And that can be found through length times width. So another way to find the volume is to do base times height. So right here, we were given the area of the base, which is 16 yards square. I know that this is area because it's pointing here to the middle, so that's telling me that this whole section is 16 yards squared, but also this squared here, right here, this little 2 tells me that I'm doing area. Just like with volume, when we're doing cubic feet or cubic inches, or you'll see the little 3 to mark for volume. So this tells me that I have my area of the base right here. All right, so let's find this. All we have to do is multiply our base times our height. So in this case, we are going to be multiplying 16 times 2 to get our volume, which is going to be 32 cubic yards. All right, let's keep practicing. All right, our next one. Now we've got a bigger number here. We've got 153 square feet. So that is our area right here of this base. So we are going to do 153 times 7. I'm going to let you guys write this one out and try and solve it. We'll go over it in about 30 seconds. If you need more time, you can go ahead and pause it. If you need help setting it up, you can set it up 153 times 7 on your notebook or on your Classkick or Google Docs, whatever you're using. Okay, remember you want to start 7 times 3, then 7 times 5, then 7 times 1. Go ahead and keep working, and we will talk about it in just a second. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's talk about this one. So we are doing 153 which is our base, times our height, which is 7. And what you should have gotten is 1,071 cubic feet. All right. All right, our last problem today is going to be a word problem. Yoshi bought a new oven to bake his famous apple pies. The oven has a base of 18 square feet and a height of 3 feet. What is the volume of the oven? Go ahead and set up that problem for us. What two numbers are you going to multiply? If you need more time to think, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's move on over here. Our base was 18 and our height was 3 feet. Okay, so you're going to do 18 times 3. Go ahead and take a minute to solve that. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause. If not, you should have gotten 54. One way that I did this was I did 20 times 3 because I can do that in my head. And 20 times 3 is 60. Then I took away 2 groups of 3, right? Because 20 minus 2 is 18. So I took away 2 groups of 3, which is 6, and then I got 54. And don't forget cubic feet as our label. All right, guys, good luck on the class cake today. If you need some help, sorry, wrong page. If you need some help, go ahead and message me on the chat and raise your hand. I'll talk to you soon.